Hey guys, it's your girl Dioradoree, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Okay, this video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing some makeup that I ordered. I'm not going to be doing a makeup tutorial because obviously I already did my makeup. I'm going to be posting that video also today or whatever, well, whatever day I post it. And let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the Glam box that I got from Ipsy. It's a monthly subscription or whatever. I don't want y'all to see my address and nothing like that, but ooh. So yeah, we're finna get straight. I already went through the box or whatever, so this is not ripping or whatever. But anyway, this is the little item beauty. This is a eyeshadow palette. This is how it comes. Those are like neutral shades, like nude shades, natural shades, sort of, whichever way you want to call it. I think it's really pretty, and I'm definitely gonna use this. It comes with a little mirror pad also, so I like that. It comes with the little names at the bottom, and does have a sheet protector. So, oh no, it doesn't. But this is the back. It doesn't have the names or anything on it, but it does have the expiration date, so you can tell that this expires in 12 months. You probably can't see it, but in my last video, I showed you guys how to tell if your makeup is expired. So they also gave me some hair mousse. I'm dying to use this. Even though I already gelled my edges down, I could have used the mousse, but I wasn't thinking or whatever. But this is how it comes with the little. And this is some Wow, oh, Color Wow, that's what it's called, Color Wow. Extra large bombshell volumizer. So I'm definitely gonna get into this. That was cute that they put a hair product in my makeup box, because I didn't know they sell like hair products, whatever. But this is a Tula skincare. This is a 24-hour moisturizer. It's such cute packaging also. So this is how it comes. Tula skincare. I think it's like an overnight moisturizer. I'm not sure. It does come sealed. So the top is like a slide off or whatever. It's really hard to get open, but this is how it looks. It smells really good, like really good. So I may just use this. I already have a moisturizer that I'm using. I use the Curology, so I really don't put nothing else on my face besides that as a moisturizer. But I'm definitely gonna try this out or whatever, you know. The Anastasia's brow gel holds your brows in place, so you don't have to use Got2b glue like me. But I'm kind of glad this came in my box. But at the same time, if it don't hold my eyebrows like how I want it to hold, like a strong hold, I'm definitely gonna go back to using my Got2b glue, because that Got2b glue holds your girl down. This clear, it's a clear gel. So hopefully that sticks. It says strong hold on here. Yeah, it says strong hold or whatever. But hopefully it does work. It's such pretty packaging. More hyaluronic acid. So I'm definitely going to be using this because I learned about hyaluronic acid in school. It's very good at soothing and plumping your skin or whatever. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be getting into that. This is such cute packaging. Look at it. Comes in a little bottle. So this is hyaluronic acid brightening eye complexion. So you would put this under your eyes, like if you have dark spots or bags or whatever, you would put this under your eyes and it would help brighten it. And I would say start doing this now. If you have bags, like don't wait till you get like older in the years to want to start using hyaluronic acid or retinol or anything like that. Like start using it now, cause it does help. Like this stuff the bomb for real. But you do have to be consistent and use it. So this is a Key Soul Care Harmony mask. So I'm guessing this is a mask that you put on to detox your skin or anything like that. I walk in my own strength. It's really cute. I walk in my own strength. You really can't see it, but that's why I want a camera. It's definitely a mud mask. Very luxury, like luxurious. This is very cute. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be getting into this mask. I did need new face creams or whatever, like face masks, because the clay one that I had, I used it all already. So Pat McGrath Labs. This is a Lust Gloss. So pretty. I'm gonna try this on right now. It comes out purple glittery. That's definitely pretty. Can't get into that. So I'm definitely gonna keep this lip gloss. And it definitely goes very pretty with my skin complexion. More for the darker shade girls. I mean, light skin girls can wear it too, but the purple definitely targets the dark skin girls. So that's that. That's the lip gloss. Wait, what shade is this? Bronze Venus. Bronze Venus. So if you want this, that's the name of the shade. Bronze Venus. Cell mascara. Does that say Cell? No. Saïd. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But it's definitely cute. The packaging is like more simple, cute, like mature. I don't know how to say it. Like, what's the word? What's the word? But this is cute. I can mess with it. But this is, look, this is pretty. Chic. Real cute and simple. But this is the mascara. I'm probably gonna use this on my clients. It's a more smaller bristle brush, but it does says it's a volumizer. It's very volume. It gives volume. It says thick, bold, lifted lashes. So I do love a thick, bold lash. And that's it for the Glam bag extra large Glam from Ipsy. I'm gonna start with the little one that I have for $25 a month or whatever. I pay a subscription for both of these boxes. And this is some charcoal clay mask. The same as the last one, but I'm guessing this is a peel off mask. So I'm definitely going to get into both of these masks. It definitely is a peel off mask. It's a peel off right there. So I'm definitely going to get into both of those. This is some Proof Matte setting spray. I'm definitely going to be getting into this too. I love a good setting spray. Help blends all my makeup together. And the packaging is so cute. The pink and green That's such a cute combination. Like, I love pink, so I'm definitely gonna be getting into this. Very girly, cute. And I have this S'mores Glam Light highlighter palette. I was definitely dying to use this because this is like mad pretty. Like, I love this. If I can get it open. But yeah, this is like bomb, prettiest. This is the packaging. It's a S'mores. Like, how cute is that? It's a little S'mores. Glam Light. It doesn't come with the mirror, but the highlighters are like so pretty. Hey, look at those. That's such a pretty highlight. And the white and the brown. Look at it. I'm dying to use it. But this is definitely the palette. I love it. Play with your mama. Love it. But it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. It says graham cracker. This one says graham cracker. This one says marshmallows. And this one says chocolate. Like, how cute are the names in this palette? But yeah, that's that palette. More. And last but not least, this little pocket purse palette, wherever you want to put it. It says Vice Art Professional Makeup Paris. So it does come out like this. And you pull the little, it opens up. It's mad pretty. Put it in your purse to go travel with you. It has a little mirror compact, so you can do your mirror in the, I said you can do your mirror. You can do your makeup in the car and stuff. Like, on the go, wherever you need to go. This is not pretty. And they have like really pretty shades. I would definitely use these. The purple, I would probably use it as a bottom eyeliner. Cause I don't really like purple in my eyes. But this is definitely a pretty purple. So I may just use this on my eyelids as an eyeshadow. So all of these are eyeshadows. It's very pretty. The packaging does come with the names on the back. 20, Cooper, Scarlet, Starlight, Cappuccino. They're very cute names. And that would be the end of this unboxing haul. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, bye guys.